Medical terms for common things. Borborygmus. It is a rumbling or gurgling noise made by the movement of fluid and gas in the intestines. When your stomach is empty, though, these sounds are much easier to hear. That's probably why we associate stomach growling with being hungry. Xerosis. Medical name for dry skin. Dry skin is linked to a decrease in the oils on the surface of the skin. It is usually triggered by environmental factors. Treating dry skin at home includes regularly using moisturizers on the skin. Usually, an oil-based cream is more effective at holding in moisture than a water-based cream. Epistaxis. Medical term for nosebleed. It is common due to the location of the nose on the face, and the large amount of blood vessels in the nose. Self-care steps for occasional nosebleeds include: sit upright and lean forward. By remaining upright, you reduce blood pressure in the veins of your nose. This discourages further bleeding. Sitting forward will help you avoid swallowing blood, which can irritate your stomach. Gently blow your nose to clear out any clotted blood. Spray a nasal decongestant in the nose. Pinch your nose. Use your thumb and index finger to pinch both nostrils shut, even if only one side is bleeding. Breathe through your mouth. Continue to pinch for 5 to 10 minutes. This maneuver puts pressure on the bleeding point on the nasal septum and often stops the flow of blood. Repeat. If the bleeding doesn't stop, repeat these steps for up to a total of 15 minutes. Bruxism. It is a condition in which you grind, gnash or clench your teeth. Although teeth grinding can be caused by stress and anxiety, it often occurs during sleep and is more likely caused by an abnormal bite or missing teeth. It can also be caused by a sleep disorder such as sleep apnea. Horripilation. It is a bristling of the hair on the skin due to cold or fear, and we commonly known as goosebumps. When you're experiencing extreme emotions, the human body responds in a variety of ways. Two common responses include increased electrical activity in the muscles just under the skin and increased depth or heaviness of breathing. These two responses appear to trigger goosebumps. Vasalgia. Medical term for a hangover. The main cause of a hangover is ethanol, the alcohol in your drinks. The most common symptoms are headache, fatigue, nausea, vomiting, concentration difficulties, and dehydration. Hordeolum. Also known as stye, it is a red bump, sort of like a pimple, that forms on the outside edge of the eyelid. Dead skin, dirt, or oil buildup can clog or block these small holes. When a gland is blocked, bacteria can grow inside and cause a stye to develop. A warm compress is the most effective way to treat this. Onychocryptosis, also known as ingrown nail, is a fairly frequent problem resulting from either growth of nail fold inwards into the nail bed or abnormal embedding of the nail plate into the nail groove, causing significant discomfort. Crepitus. Medical term for cracking or popping sound in a joint such as the knee. Crepitus usually is not a cause for concern. In fact, most people's joints crack or pop occasionally, and that is considered normal. But if crepitus is regular and is accompanied by pain, swelling, or other concerning symptoms, it may be an indication of arthritis or another medical condition. Sternutation. Another term for sneezing, is a semi-autonomous, convulsive expulsion of air from the lungs through the nose and mouth, usually caused by foreign particles irritating the nasal mucosa. A sneeze expels air forcibly from the mouth and nose in an explosive, spasmodic involuntary action resulting chiefly from irritation of the nasal mucous membrane.